This is a used 2012 Cadillac CTS. It's powered by all-wheel drive engine and an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include a sunroof, electric trunk, heated steering wheel, push-button start, leather seats, heated seats, Bluetooth connectivity, a satellite radio, remote start, steering wheel controls. Safety was made a priority with these features: a backup camera, side airbags, traction control, parking sensors, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, daytime running lights, anti-lock brakes, child safety locks. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.